Today I'm going to show you how to add a Calendly appointment link in your HTML email signature. This is a brilliant way to make it easier for people to book time with you directly from your email, saving you the back and forth hassle of scheduling meetings manually. For this example, I'm using ByBrand to edit my email signature, but the general concept applies to most email signature editors. Let's start by making your signature more interactive and professional. First, we'll add a visual element to catch the recipient's attention. Click on Image Gallery in your ByBrand editor. This opens up a collection of icons and images you can use. From there, click on Icon and in the search bar, type Schedule. This will bring up various calendar or scheduling-related icons that you can choose from. Once you've found an icon you like, click on it to select it. Now, to make sure it fits nicely within your email signature without being too large or too small, click on Change Size. A good standard size for icons in email signatures is around 15 by 15 pixels, as this keeps things looking clean and professional without overwhelming the rest of your signature. Enter those dimensions and click Update to apply the changes. Next, we'll add some descriptive text that tells recipients exactly what clicking this link will do. Type in "Schedule a 30-minute meeting with me" right next to or below your icon, depending on your layout preference. Once you've typed it out, highlight all of this text. This is important because we're about to turn this text into a clickable link. Now click on the link icon in your editor toolbar. This is where we'll connect your Calendly appointment page. Open a new tab and head over to your Calendly account. Find the specific meeting or event type you want people to book, whether that's a 30-minute consultation, a discovery call, or any other meeting format you've set up. Once you've located it, click Copy Link to copy the URL to your clipboard. Switch back to your ByBrand editor and paste that Calendly link into the link field. This creates a direct pathway from your email signature to your scheduling page, making it incredibly simple for anyone reading your emails to book time with you instantly. Finally, click Save Signature to lock in all your changes. And there you have it. You now have an HTML email signature with a built-in Calendly appointment link that's ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.